Lewis coming forward there and he can talk us through it. So welcome, Mr. Lewis.
Worship, I'll go with your taking the report as read.
I noticed your engineer's estimate at $1,086,000 New Zealand dollars, and you've got one that's come in and it conforms with all the expectations you wish at $914,000.
That's correct.
And you, I guess, are asking the council and recommending to council that we accept that tender.
That is correct.
Any questions, Councillor Dana?
Dennis, just I suppose you've got a 20-year life expectancy of reseal. Does that happen on all roads, or do you do, like obviously some roads don't get used as much? Do they have a longer life and then you spend budgets more in there?
It's an average life. Obviously some roads are able to last longer than others, depending on traffic volume and also depending on the topography of the road and also the soil conditions.
Because I just see at the end of you suggested the resolution is that obviously the amount that's come in underneath the officer's estimate, you want to invest back in because we're behind in resealing.
That is correct. This is basically renewal, so it's putting a waterproof surface onto the road, which helps to increase the length of time that we need to do maintenance and repairs on the road. So,
your budget amount is on your first page, your engineer's estimate, which is your budget amount. You've come in at $914,000. Mr. Lewis is wanting to take it up to $972,000, which is still in your budget for the betterment of the roads and betterment of the people of the district. And I'm actually wondering if it's also for the betterment of bike riders.
Unless the roads
don't answer that question. Councillor Truman.
Yeah, I was just wondering, with that extra funding, can that be going towards the rural roads that budget would cut?
I think once you work on a project, it's easier just to extend the project you're on and shift all the machinery. It wouldn't be cost effective.
This is resealing, it's not actually doing real roads. Because that was the budget.
the majority of the reseals are on rural roads by nature of the length of the rural network.
So it would be going towards rural roads?
It is, but it's resealing the existing sealed rural road rather than
not turning gravel roads into seal, just resealing. Yeah, there's more maintenance of the road.
Are there any district-based road companies capable of such a job, and if so, were they invited to tender?
It was a public tender that was advertised, and no, there is no local roading company that would be able to do it. Resealing is quite a specialised business. It tends to be done now by national organisations.
But to be fair, Mr. Lewis, a lot of these companies listed here, Downer, Fulton, Hogan, Heath, Higgins, etc., actually do have bases in Taupo. So it is actually arguable that they are actually Taupo District businesses, because they actually have a base here. The head office out of town, but they do have bases. Councillor Dana? Move. Oh, sorry. Move. Councillor Lynch a second. All those in favour? All right. Move. Thank you. Moving now to agenda item number 5.